Welcome! Want to create a realistic ocean in Blender easily? Let's get started. First, press Shift plus A and add a plane. Go to Modifier Properties and add the Ocean Modifier. In the settings, set Repeat X equals 2 and Repeat Y equals 2. Set Resolution equals 10 and Render equals 20. Now let's animate the ocean. Go to the current time setting, move to the first frame, and insert a keyframe. Then move to the last frame, set the value to 40, and insert another keyframe. Next, open the wave settings and set the scale to 1.5. Now go to Material Properties, add a new material, and set the base color to blue. Turn on Rendered View, disable Scene World, set Roughness to 0 and Transmission to 1. Go to World Properties, change the color to Environment Texture, and load an HDRI sky texture. You can download one from Polyhaven, link in the description. Enable Scene World again, then go to the Shading workspace, switch to World, and add Texture Coordinate and Mapping nodes. Connect them, and adjust the rotation values in the mapping node to get your desired sky view. Adjust your camera using numpad 1, 8, and 6, and fine-tune with Shift plus middle mouse button. Now your ocean already looks realistic. For an extra touch, let's add a sun. Press Shift plus A, add a UV sphere, move it into position using G plus X/Y, and scale it slightly. With the sun selected, go to Material Properties, add a new material, and change the surface to emission. Set the color to yellow and increase the strength to around 20. Press spacebar to play the animation. Boom! Your realistic ocean scene is ready. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Blender Money Studio for more amazing Blender tutorials.